Your LG over-the-range microwave oven may have come equipped with a metal rack that allows you to simultaneously cook multiple food items at the same time. When using your metal rack to cook, place equal amounts of food above and below the rack to help evenly distribute cooking energy. It is important to note that this rack must be installed properly on the plastic tabs built into the sides of the microwave cavity. Do not let the metal rack touch the walls of the oven to prevent any unwanted spark. During operation, if you notice any sparking between the rack and the interior cavity of the microwave, please stop the operation of the microwave immediately and check to make sure that the rack is properly installed. Remove the rack when not in use or making popcorn. The popcorn bag will expand and cause the rack to come off the rack supports and may also cause sparking. Proper use of your metal rack will help to ensure optimum performance from your microwave for years to come. To properly maintain your rack, remove and clean with warm soapy water using a soft sponge or towel. Completely dry your rack before reinserting back into place. Your LG over-the-range microwave oven will help increase efficiency with its multi-level cooking ability. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.